Traders, ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you back to our channel. I am Samuel Ngon, and today is Sunday. This is a new month, ladies and gentlemen, and it's about 7 p.m. Eastern Time. We have something like 8 minutes to 7 p.m. Eastern Time here. Ladies and gentlemen, we once more want to welcome you. So, as I was saying, today is the 2nd of March 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, we're starting the new month. This is the third month we start. We start today since we launched our special program January the 1st. So we're moving forward, ladies and gentlemen. We're attacking the third month, and that gotta be, after third month, we're gonna go to the 4th, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, the 9th, until we're going to the end of the year. This is a program we started in order to learn how to trade. We're learning how to trade, ladies and gentlemen, which is very, very, very important. We're focusing ourselves on learning the skills. We're not making money here. We're here to learn how to trade. That is what we're doing. And we invite all of you guys who want, sincerely want to learn how to trade the stock and Forex markets to join us for free. We're tuning in here every single day from Sunday to Thursday. 6:45, like you see here, or 6 or 7 p.m. Eastern Time, ladies and gentlemen. So before we move forward, since our channel is bilingual, I'm going to welcome those in French, ladies and gentlemen. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue une fois de plus sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Je suis Samuel Ngon et aujourd'hui, c'est dimanche le 2 mars. Trader, nous avons attaqué le 3e mois de notre programme spécial que nous avons commencé depuis janvier 2025. Alors, nous sommes en train de progresser petit à petit. Nous allons aller sur le 4e, le 5e, le 6e, le 7e et arriver au 12e mois. Et nous ne nous arrêterons pas. Ce programme, nous prions Dieu qu'il puisse nous aider en nous donnant la santé afin que nous puissions continuer de l'avant. Ça, c'est une communauté que nous sommes en train de construire. Une communauté de personnes qui apprennent à trade le stock et le forex. Demain, nous allons faire le futur ou bien l'option. Mais pour l'instant, nous nous focalisons sur ces choses que nous faisons à présent. Alors, cette communauté sera grande et petit à petit, nous y arriverons. Nous vous remercions beaucoup, ceux qui regardent nos programmes maintenant à présent, si je peux le dire. Nous vous remercions beaucoup et ceux qui se sacrifient pour pouvoir écrire ou bien nous poser des questions. Alors, nous sommes très, très, très reconnaissants et nous savons que aujourd'hui, nous sommes peu, mais demain, nous serons très, très, très nombreux. Alors, prenez vos places, chers traders, et nous allons attaquer cette nouvelle phase qui est le mois de mars, et nous verrons ce que ce mois nous réservera. Traders, as I was saying, we now attacking, we entering the third month. The time fly, Now is the third month we are attacking now. We started in January, and things wasn't easy, but as you can realize, as we're moving forward, we're improving slowly, and we're going to improve a lot of things here, including our chat room. There gotta be a time we'll have a separate chat room for those who need to, participate, ladies and gentlemen. So, as I was saying, today is a Sunday, so we now have to start analyzing our trade because soon it gotta be 7 p.m. Eastern Time. We will start analyzing our trade here and see what is the direction the market is taking. So let me now go to our daily chart here and see the overall market. The overall market here. We're gonna see which direction it's taking on the daily chart, because we are trading our intraday trade. This is the intraday trading. This is not the swing trading. This is the intraday trading. So we need to focus ourselves on the daily chart and see the overall movement in the market. Trader, as you can see here on the daily chart, we're coming from a long consolidation. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of consolidation approximately. That consolidation now has been broken. As you can see, we're now heading up. It looked like we're heading up, ladies and gentlemen. So for that reason, we need to pay attention with the overall market, which is the upside. No question, that we are upside. So it doesn't mean that you can't have 1 or 2 days for the downside. Since our goal is to follow the trend, we're going to see today where are the market going to, particularly spend their time. It's time. You're going to spend the time going up or down. But what is true is that you got to look at this market for the upside, base of the chart. But when we see here on US Japanese, we see that 3 days consecutively we have been upped. I don't even want to talk about the fourth. So 3 days upside, and also here 2 days upside, 2 days here, 2 days here. So it's possible for the pullback. Pullback is possible. It's possible, but we shouldn't forget that. We shouldn't forget that pullback is possible, because when the trend never go all the way, up. It just take upside. Sometimes the trend go up and retrace and go again. We have high and high low, and high and high low, and high and high low. That is how the trend usually does. So, okay, hold on. Let me see myself. So I will welcome my little son. Sometimes he like to trade with me, but in the meantime he does his own things. I'm gonna allow him to be here close to me, see how I'm doing. So I'm sorry about that. So I was saying that the trend never go, just to follow the momentum. The momentum retrace and go and keep going. That is why we have to think about. To know today, it might happen that even though we are on the uptrend, we might have a small pullback like we're seeing at this time. Je disais que dans l'ensemble, nous voyons que nous sommes en train de monter, parce que nous avons eu une consolidation de 5 jours et maintenant c'est en train de prendre le haut. Donc, pour l'instant, nous savons que nous sommes sur le haut, mais ce qui est vrai est que nous pourrions avoir un certain repli, parce que la tendance n'est jamais allée tout droit à pic. Il y a des fois ça va vers le haut et ça replie et il continue. Donc pour l'instant, nous voyons que la tendance a monté la tête vers le haut, mais néanmoins, un repli n'est pas à négliger. Bien, n'est pas négligeable, c'est possible. Donc nous allons voir ce que le trade va nous montrer tout à l'heure. Donc, nous allons voir, comme je disais. Let's see, ladies and gentlemen. Let me go to my 5-minute chart, like I used to. On the 4 hours, I could have even scaled down to 4 hours and see where we are, traders. 4 hours, we're still on the we are here on the green candle. So I may try to place my support and resistance before I go to the 4. The scale down to 5 minutes, as I said. So let me now place my support and resistance. 4 hour support and resistance. Okay, that's it there. So now I can go now to my 5 minute chart, see where I am now. Okay, you see that we have now our support or resistance here and support at the bottom. So that is the range which our trade is trading now. I mean, the ticker is trading. So let's see the other one. Let me go to 4 hours. Still, we are there. Let me now lift it here to see the range I'm trading. This is our resistance here. Okay, you can lift it a little bit here. There's our resistance. I can also go to 5 minutes here to see clearly. So that is another range here. Okay, now we find traders. Here as well. Let's go to 4 hours. Here. Now I lower my stop my support here, and the resistance is above here. The resistance. Now I flip it to 5 minutes. Okay, now we have downtrend. Okay, I'm going to place another support here later. Okay, let me see this one. Ladies and gentlemen, we're now 5 minutes past 7 p.m. Eastern time. So we are already on the overlap time, which is trading time. So I need to place my resistance here. Placing my resistance. So let's see what's going to happen. We might see a little bit downtrend, a little bit, maybe and come down and reverse. It's possible, but let's see. There is another resistance there. Okay, this one here. All our technical analysis are below the chart. So which show bullishness, ladies and gentlemen. Let's pay attention and see what's going to happen. So let's see there. Let's see. So I'm placing my trend line here to see. See my trend line. Adding my trend line on my chart. So let's wait and see. We see a breakdown here on US Japanese, which is good. So, but this market, we are looking at it on the uptrend. You know, even though we have some kind of break at the bottom here, lower on our trend line, ladies and gentlemen, I think based on what we see for our analysis, we got to look at the market on the uptrend, on the upside. So let's see. Let's wait patiently. Patience is the key. So let's wait, and we are waiting this to come. Let's say below on the close to our 150 simple moving average. So let's wait and see. We see any kind of breakdown and rejection. We have the first green candles, to make the new high. Okay, we should start showing interest. So let's see. Let's watch and see. On observe, mesdames et messieurs, pour voir ce que le marché va faire. Et pour l'instant, nous regardons ce marché vers le haut. Pardon. watching. We see how the chart is coming down slowly, close to the 50 simple moving average or the 150 on the US Japanese. Already break the 50 moving average simple. So let's keep watching. We're watching to check this market on the long side, ladies and gentlemen. Let's watch and see. US Euro Japanese. My eyes there. I want to see the volume coming in. West Japanese already on 150. In the meantime, we remind you guys that you guys can subscribe to our channel, those who hasn't. So we're here Sunday from 7 p.m. maybe to 10. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Those are the days we're here, 5 days in a week. So we need some kind of confirmation sign to help us to jump into the trade. So let's watch. I'm about to go long because I see this chart pattern for a candlestick pattern. I mean, for a change of direction. So I might go long here and place my stop below this 150, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm watching, but I need confirmation. Need some kind of confirmation. If I see volume coming in or the break of this trend line, I will try to go long. So I need a little bit more patient confirmation in order to do it. Euro Japanese. So let's wait and see. We need to, in the meantime, we need to improve our trading skills this month, because as the time goes, we need to keep improving. That is a good goal, ladies and gentlemen. It means what? It means that even though we're sure with the direction of the market, we need to wait for the confirmation. Very important. We are here in 150 simple moving average, which is used to be our entry point. But even though we have it, we need confirmation. Everywhere here we are there, but I need some kind of volume for confirmation showing me that it's going up. Le trader disait que ici peut déjà être mon entrée, mais j'attends la confirmation. Parce que même lorsque nous sommes sûrs de notre entrée, c'est bien toujours d'avoir une confirmation. Et ici, c'est le début de l'année, je voulais dire du mois. Au mois de mars, nous avons besoin d'amélioration et de bons résultats. And don't forget that our first trade are crucial. First maybe the four first trade we take, even though it's one, that trade is very, very crucial. And now 24 minutes past 7 p.m. Eastern time. So let's keep showing patience here, ladies and gentlemen. We need to see volume. We need to see a candle, unusual candle, green candle from the reversal, showing the sign of momentum. And you can see that we have high, low. We have high here. We have high, low. So we're expecting a high, traders. That is what we're expecting. Okay, I think we getting it, trader. My first trade there. My second trade. I'm taking 4 trades at the same time, ladies and gentlemen. That is what I was expecting. Now it's showing. So I'm going to place my stop below all those technical analysis, ladies and gentlemen. Below the technical analysis here. That is where I have to start. So I'm placing, that gotta be, if I lose these 2 trades, it will be not good, but because my stop is below technical analysis here, so I don't think that I can afford it too wide like this. But anyway, that is where the good stop gotta be. So I'm now in on 4 different trades, ladies and gentlemen. So let's see what's going to happen here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm in 4 trades for long. I haven't determined my target. My target got to be above this previous high. It got to be more than that. That is why I haven't determined it, because I got to place my stop. Let's see if, even though I place my target here, let me see. I need to take a target at least 1-to-1. Okay, here is good. Here, if I place my target here 1-to-1, yes, it gotta be good as well. Here 1-to-1, but this is gotta be more than 1-to-1 here. Gotta place this here on my resistance. gotta be above. My stop here gotta be a little bit lower. Okay, that is a 1-to-1 risk reward. So let's see, traders. I'm already in on 4 trade. Let's watch and see. I'm now in my first 4 trade. I took 4 because I'm a little bit aggressive now. Let's see. For trade to begin with. Let's see. Let's watch, ladies and gentlemen. US Japanese, Australia Japanese. Watching. Watching US Japanese, GBP Japanese, Euro Japanese for long. We're watching. I'm in 4-3 for long traders. Hopefully, it's going to go to our favor here, but we're not sure. Watching. You see on the trade here, it's possible to get burned, but let's wait and see. Sri Lanka trade, US Japanese, Australia Japanese, GBP Japanese, Euro Japanese. For le long, sur le long, mais trade en train de rentrer en arrière, on ne sait pas. J'ai pris le long, mais apparemment il est en train de descendre. On va voir. You see consolidating here, ladies and gentlemen. I can call this consolidation, but I'm already on the trade. Let's see. Watching. Where's Japanese for the long? We're still on the phase of consolidation. If I see my trade start going up, we'll be fine. So let's see. Where Japanese have a support at that level. So let's see. Now we are approaching 8. We need to see a big momentum upside. Momentum. You're watching. You're watching here, ladies and gentlemen, for the upside. US Japanese is moving in the right direction. Watching. Hopefully the other one will follow, US Japanese. Watching. US Japanese for retest. We're still on the consolidation. watching. We see now a pullback. Let's see. We're still in the consolidation. Still. We see how we're coming down. So let's see. Breaking down now. We might have our first losing trade, but let's see. Coming down with speed. Even though I stopped out, I might re-enter the trade later if it happens. In case it change the direction or keep going down. So let's see. Au revoir. Là, vu comment il a break down, broke down. Because if we, this consolidation, this entry point here, we see the break here as well. See the break. Here as well, we saw the break. This one as well. We have a break here. So we saw the break down. Maybe it might be a fake break like you used to do. So let's see. You sometimes break a reject. It's almost 8. Almost 8 p.m. Today trade is look like it's a little bit different from the other time. So let's keep patient. Trying to come down. Speed. US Japanese going to kick me out soon. And Australia Japanese as well. I mean GBP. If they kick me out, I'm going to take it. The risk. A place in the market. US Japanese came to my stop. Close. Just few small, how can I call it? I was already out of US Japanese. I don't know if you come and kick me out. So let's see. We see a rejection. We see a big rejection. Let's see. Hopefully this is a uptrend we're looking for. So let's see. You can see where Japanese came to my stop here. Almost kicking me out. Hopefully that is an uptrend. Let's see. Watching the reversal. Watching Australia Japanese, almost my entry point. Watching. We're seeing a volume coming in. Je suis en train de voir un retour. On espère que ça va continuer. Watching. Watching trader. So Japanese already break the resistance. We want also the other guys doing the same. Watching traders. We're moving here in the right direction. We're moving in the right direction. Let's see. Watching. Ladies and gentlemen, our trade are moving in the right direction. Let's watch. Let's keep watching. Where Japanese hit the resistance here, came back. So let's see. Let's watch and see. Another attempt. It was Japanese to break the resistance there. This was the resistance. So we hope it will go back and break it. Let's see. Watching. I keep watching traders. For trade for long. Let's see. I mean, for trade for long. Il est déjà à 20h, partir de 12 minutes ici. Alors, les trades sont encore sur place. Il n'y a pas un gros mouvement ici. Alors, on attend toujours. Il peut revenir vers le bas avant de remonter encore. Donc, je ne sais pas. On attend. Watching to see what those trades gonna do. Maybe they might pull back before reversing again. I don't know. Or retest. I don't know. So, but let's see. Watching those Japanese for the break. Pulling back. I expect the pullback. It's normal. Making money is not easy, man. So require a lot of patience. Like we used to be patient when we are in losing trade. First day of the month. Let's see. Watching trader for the long. Let's see the break. We need to see a breakout, momentum breakout. watching traders. We're pulling back. Let's see. There's a lot of patience here. Trader over here waiting to see a breakout on the former resistance. Maybe we're going to have it soon, maybe. Need to see that when a continuation. Approaching 8:25 p.m. Mean what? 25 minutes past 8. So let's see. to see a break. New high. Watching. Osaka Japanese, US Japanese, Euro Japanese, GBP Japanese for long. Not easy to stay in a winning trade. I'm already on profit, but bit of compared to my stop, where my risk was huge. That is for that reason I need to stay in the trade. Wait. So how I resisted when I was in the trade. The trade came down. I was down very well. I have to wait because he didn't trigger my stops. So if I can wait when the trade is coming against me, I think I can also wait where the trade is going for me. That is how we learn how to trade. We are learning. We are learning to run the trade, on a winning trade, to be patient in the winning trade as long as we're also patient with the losing one. We have to be patient also with the winning trade. If we don't know how to do it, we have to learn. Sometimes the tricky part is that you reverse, they come in when we're already in profit, reverse and come and kick us out of trade. It happens. It happened to me several times here. So let's see. See that it's hard to keep going, very hard, but let's give him more time, maybe. Trade is coming down. They are coming down, all of them. We see here a consolidation on GBP, Japanese, as well as Euro Japanese consolidation, US Japanese consolidation. All those trade are consolidation. So look like they're trying to come down. Let's see. Is that gotta be the case? I would take. We are already almost more than 1 hour, maybe 1.5 on the trade, but not almost one hour, more than 1 hour in this trade. So we're coming down. Let's see. Coming down with the speed. We had high here and high low. We have higher, a little bit, and higher low. Maybe this is the high. This is higher low. So maybe after this we're gonna have a higher. I don't know. So let's see. So the trade never goes straight up or straight down. You have a retracement. If they want to do what they did here, so we'll do this and we'll go in and now here. But let's see if it's not the complete pullback. I mean, for trade, for long, I've been on this trade for more than an hour. So let's see. See US Japanese coming down with the speed. I don't know if it's coming to kick me out. I stop it there. Watching the higher lower. That is the high low we're getting. Hopefully it's not a complete pullback. My stop is here, as you can see, my target there. My stop here, my target here, my stop here, my target. So almost 1-to-1 risk. Hopefully we're gonna get it. If not, won't be anything I can do. I will take a loss. So hopefully we're going to have a low high now. That is why we need to see a low high. Need to see a low high with a momentum. Watching low high. Which is a high high. Because it looks like we're having high high, high low. US Japanese coming to my stop. Japanese close to my stop, ladies and gentlemen. I was in profit, but it didn't reach my target. That is why I didn't take it. But now it's coming to my stop, but I take the loss in case there's nothing I can do. I'm going to take a loss if he trigger my stop. Because my entry was not bad. You know, it's just that it didn't. Okay, my first losing trade on the US Japanese here, ladies and gentlemen. I have my first losing trade with US Japanese. So I'm still on 3 trade. You know. So still on 3 trade. Let's see how they're going to play out. I might re-enter US Japanese in case it turn over. But if they continue down, I will take the loss. J'ai fait mon premier pet sur US Japanese. Il a enlevé il a touché mon stop. Je pourrais réentrer dans la mesure où il change encore pour remonter. Donc, j'attends, voir. Je suis dans 3 trades. Watching. My entry point was good on US Japanese here because of the rejection. So, but it came here, it didn't have enough energy to continue up. Okay, but what is true is that, let me write it here. We have a lower here and lower high, lower and lower high. So it came down here, it broke this consolidation support. It came down and it came here with the red and it rejected. So I entered the trade here. I was expecting it to ride up to this level, but you see how it's coming down now, kicking me out. Anyway, it happened. It happens. So I'm still on 3 trade. I'm still on Australia Japanese, Euro Japanese, and GBP Japanese. That's trade I'm still. Let's see how they're gonna play. Let's see. That is how we told you that trading is risky, difficult, very difficult. Because you work with your psychology. I'm here with it. We're going out to 9 almost. Look like today is just a downtrend we're experiencing here. Sorry. Came up a little bit, just a little bit. I'm trying to go down now. Let's see. Trade is coming to my stopped. Coming down. We had 3 days consecutively in green. So maybe we could expect this one. 3 consecutive day in green. So let's see, my 3 trade are coming to my stop as well. Let's see. If they kick they trigger my stop, I'll go out with a huge loss, which gotta be my mass loss, more than my last loss, traders, because my stops was a little bit, I placed them below my technical analysis, which is good. That is the right way to put the stop, to place it. So even though I passed my mass loss a little bit, but I'm going to take it. So let's see. I can take another trade. Just need to finish with those 3 trades. If it may work. Sorry. Watching here, I'm still in 3 trades for long. One trigger my stop, US Japanese. And now I'm prohibited to take another trade because of my mass loss. Even though US Japanese now present himself, as opportunity, I can take it. Because of my risk management. Risk management very, very important, traders. Gotta enforce it. I'm still in 3 trades here. Watching here. reversal. Or I maybe try to take US Japanese for long here, but as I said, I'm prohibited to take any other trade now because of my mass loss, my risk management. Because if I lose those 3 trades, I already more than my mass loss, which means that I shouldn't take any other trade right now because I'm concerned about my what I'm going to lose and what I'm going to make. All right, I'll be back, trader. We are watching. Let's see if we're going to have a new lower there. It won't be good, man. Yeah, gonna get a new lower there. It wouldn't be good for us. So I'm expecting the continuation with a green candle. We see US Japanese coming down, new lower, US Japanese. So let's see. Let's see. watching. Upside. The only reason to allow me to enter the trade again is when I'm already green. If I'm green, now I'm gonna re-enter. I might take another trade. Otherwise, no. Five minutes here to 9 p.m. This is the longest trade I ever take, traders. 'm still on 3 trade, ladies and gentlemen. My stop. Those are my stops. My stops here. The first one, the second one here, the third one here. It hasn't triggered it or triggered them. The only trade which triggered my stops was US Japanese. So I'm waiting for the 3 other one to see the direction. Sorry. If they keep coming down, I'll be forced to leave, to get out of the trade. Anyway, I need to wait and see. I'm expecting the trade to rebound. That is what I expect. But when we look at the trade, we see that they're doing lower and lower high. But we are below. Our technical analysis here are below, which show the bullishness, as well as here technical analysis. Here we have a 150 simple moving average here as well. So we're still bullish, traders. We're still bullish here. It's possible. The rebound is very possible. But we are not the one who decide. Let's see what the market is going to give us. What I'm just saying is that I still have hope, because all our technical analysis, all the EMAs, all of them still below. Unless it break, now I will start, giving up. here already 9 p.m. Eastern time. This is the longest trade I ever traded. Very unusual. Very, very, very unusual. Ladies and gentlemen. Taking a trade and staying for so long doesn't happen every day. This is our first day of the month of March. Things are not, started. Our start is not quite good here. Things are not started very well. We were in profit, but the fact that it didn't move even half, it was just Japanese, which moved halfway. The other trade didn't. There were also US Japanese who did a little bit good with Australian Japanese, but the rest, the two other one, they didn't do much. We're expecting them to break, but they didn't. As you can see here, this was my entry point. It just came here above a little bit, and the reverse, So it's not strength to keep going down. They keep going up. They try to come down now. So what I'm going to do here, traders, is that I'm going to readjust my stops. I don't want to let him go all the way down here. I'm going to adjust all my stops here. In case it break here, I will get out of the trade with a loss. I don't want to keep waiting them below like I gave them before. better get out of the trade here, because this trade look like it doesn't want to go up. So that is I readjusted my stops from the lower above, because remember I told you that you can readjust your stop from the bottom to the top, not from the top to the bottom. You can move your stop away, but you can move it, forward. Forward means what? You're reducing your risk. It's better to move your stop. It's possible to move your stop reducing your risk, instead to move your stop out to add more risk, because that's going to put you in more danger. So let them come and trigger my stop there. I will be out of the trade, because that will gotta be the new low. When it does the new low, I get out of the trade, because new lower means what? Continuation, probably. So I don't want to see that. So let's see. Approaching my stop on GBP, Japanese. As you can see here, where I place my stop is closed. It's taking me out now. I'm going to take it. Take me out. That's fine. Because the way I see trading now, I don't trust it anymore. That is why I don't trust it anymore. That is why I'm adjusting my stop to get out of the trade if possible. I'm here with it. The trade might still do something, if you want to, but otherwise I'll be getting out of the trade. I'm going to get out soon on GBP Japanese and Euro Japanese. I'm still on free trade, but I expect to get out the loss. But let's see. would have needed to come here and break this this resistance here and break this one as well, and continue up this one as well and break this resistance, but those are the three trades I'm in. Because if we break this resistance, now it will give us more, more confidence that maybe my break my entry point. Let's see. When you haven't get out of the trade, you can completely lose hope. So I'm still in. Let's see what we're gonna do. What is free that I already adjust my stops. I adjusted my stops. I reduce my risk, which I gave before. This Sunday was so cool, no volume. So as a result, you can see what's happening. Sell Japanese, also close to my stop. only one trade I took. I can say that because all those 4 trades was on the same time. So I call them one trade. I've been holding them for more than 2 hours. One trigger my stop, and I'm still on 3. Those 3, I readjusted my stop by reducing my risk. So let's see. If it trigger my stops, I'll be out of trade. This beginning of the month of March, this is not. This is very slow today. Enough volume to push the stock, the trade one side. I can't blame myself because of my entry. My entry was good. Yeah, that there were not way to move it forward. Pushing my stops. We see here that, ladies and gentlemen, this was my entry. My entry was here. My entry was here when it broke here, rejected. I entered the trade, which was good, very nicely, very good entry. So, go to ride it up to here. And the reason why I entered here was that the market, the Tokyo market was open, just open. So we had Australia, but Tokyo also opened. So I was expecting the volume to push it up. I gotta get out of the raw Japanese in a few seconds. Australia as well. So break in here to go to the new lower. If it does it, you gotta kick me out. I'll be out of the trade. So no question. Let's see. Almost there. So I can say that, as you can see, you see the tail. This means a lot of volume, mean buyers. So you see that engulfing, bullish engulfing candle, 2 align. So show bullishness. Just that there were not enough volume to push the trade up, but I understand. That's fine. Maybe next time it will work, even though today it didn't work. Next time we will hope that things will be better. So I'm out of almost Euro Japanese here. Okay, I'm out of Euro Japanese with the loss. Remain Osaka Japanese. Okay. Let's see. Osaka Japanese and GBP Japanese. Already out of 2. So they're coming for breakdown. Two losing trade, 4 losing trade, ladies and gentlemen. I gotta be out of. Okay, so I had 4 losing trade today, ladies and gentlemen. You know, back to back, and the difficult things was that I stay for very, very long on this 4 losing trade, which sometimes not good, you know, because it's better to stay longer on the winning trade than stay longer on the losing one. But the good news is that I reduced my loss. You know, I don't know if it will reverse here or not, but what is true is that I already hit my mass loss for the day. So, mesdames et messieurs, je suis hors de trade. Peut-être qu'il va retourner là-bas, mais je suis déjà dehors. Voilà. J'ai touché le montant que je devais donner. Donc, je pense qu'aujourd'hui, je vais m'arrêter ainsi. Voilà. Ce que nous devons retenir de cette trade est que mon entrée n'a pas été mal. Ici, quand il a rejeté ici, je suis entré. En fait, j'étais déjà dedans. Avant même qu'il rejette ainsi, j'étais déjà dedans parce que j'ai vu le volume venir ici. Alors j'ai mis mon stop bien en bas. Et il a rejeté. Voilà. Et ça m'a donné la confiance. Je suis resté dans le trade. Bon, il a mis ces 2 gros candles. Et ici, là, il n'a pas pu continuer. Voilà. Donc, même chose ici. Ça, c'était le retest. Comme vous voyez là. Voilà. Trader, it was just a retest, this one. You can see that clearly. That because based off my trend line, you see that we have this trend line here. He broke it here, it came and retest this here, then it coming down. So it's clear, traders. See, I'm the one who placed the trend line here for this support, and it broke the trend line, came down, it did this. I was supposed to understand that this already broke the trend line, because it's good to open the trade like this and analyze it properly. Yeah, it's important. So I can say here, I can tell here that it was my mistake because I played this trend line, the trade came and broke the trend line and came here again and retested and started coming down. So what I could have think here could have been to go short, because It broke the trend line and it came down. So I was expecting to come back up to the trend line and continue up, which would have been difficult, because we shouldn't forget that this trade we found with how can I say, the overall trade was, let me see, was the upside. 3 consecutive green days. Not here in the other side. Maybe you can see it in a different one. So it was a green day here. Another green day is trying to keep going up, but it's doing now the pullback. Traders. So I didn't respect my own analysis I made. It's obvious that I don't respect my analysis, because I'm the one who analyzed the trade, and I said that we were on the here. There were a trend line here, which on the line I placed. So I was supposed to see that the trade came and retest my here. This is the point, ladies and gentlemen. So all of this happened today. This is 5 minutes. So I can take the blame, because it was my mistake. I was supposed to. I saw this. I placed the trend line here. It came and broke the trend line. The trade was clear. I was supposed to see it and take it in consideration. When it broke here, I was supposed to wait, and see this retest, but it would have been difficult, because even here, since it broke here, it could have come here and broke and start coming down like this. I could have shot again here, but I have a losing trade. So this was obvious for today. I understand, but maybe next time I will improve it. Here as well, it was the same thing. Same thing here, ladies and gentlemen. I placed my trend line here, broke here, as you can see, came and retest, start coming down. So here, same thing. It broke here, it start coming down. Could have seen it and try to figure out the direction of the market. So anyway, it happened. Maybe next time we're going to see what to improve. Ladies and gentlemen, it was a pleasure. Can't go until 10 p.m. like we used to do, but I'm going to stop the session here. Very grateful for your assistance, your time, the time you spend to watch our program. Very grateful. I hope to see you next time. Mesdames et messieurs, j'étais en train d'expliquer en anglais comment j'ai analysé ce trade avant de commencer, mais je n'ai pas tellement prêté attention à mes propres analyses. Voilà, je n'ai pas tellement prêté attention. Si j'avais prêté attention à mes propres analyses, je devais voir certaines choses qui devaient m'aider à être bien attentionné. Voilà, mais j'ai négligé et le résultat a été là. La perte. Donc j'espère que la prochaine fois, je vais prendre plus conscience à mes analyses. Voilà. Donc nous allons nous arrêter ici parce que j'ai déjà touché mon mass loss, comme on appelle en anglais, et j'espère que demain nous allons nous retrouver ici à 19h. Trader, we're going to meet here tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So I want to say goodbye to all of you. leur dit au revoir à vous tous. À demain. Voilà.